Get that money now more business. So I have preheated my pan just a tad bit. I'm gonna throw my peppers. And my garlic in here. Watch that. I'm gonna get my meat. Pause. I'm gonna let this simmer for a little bit first. We'll let this simmer a little bit. If you can see, I don't know, give you a close up. Okay, I'm gonna let that start cooking in there by itself first for a little minute. So now that we have the peppers going, I'm gonna wash my hands. Then I'm gonna get this beef in the pan. Beef in the pan. It's a lot of meat, yeah. That's okay. I normally use 90% lean meat, but all they have is 85%, so that'll do for me. So okay, we get it a little mixed in here. We let that cook for a little while. We grab our seasoning. We'll do a little salt. Do a little pepper. That's it for now. Give it a little stir back. Because again, we have our peppers and we have our garlic in here. So we're also going to add this, but I let mine cook for a little while before I add this mix. Doesn't matter what kind of taco seasoning you have, just as long as you have some taco seasoning. Alright, I'm going to let this cook down. Okay, so my meat's almost cooked. Pause. But it's almost cooked. So I'm going to add my packet of the good stuff. Taco seasoning, that is. We'll stir that around, get that all in there. Okay, the meat is finished. I added another, so I added 2 packs of the taco seasoning. Now I need some salsa. Also need a little bit of the cream cheese. Mix that around. Let that cook for a little bit. Now we need some cheese. We have Mexican style blend. Dump it in there and let that cook. Probably add a little more cheese to it as we get that cream cheese to melt in here. So now what we want to do is take some of our meat and put it in our taco. I don't know if y'all know how to roll tacos or not, but it's fairly easy. You just flip just like that. Okay, so we're going to take our meat, we're going to put it on our taco. We're going to fold on the ends, wrap in the middle. Boom. So, I have placed my 2 rolled tacos, or should I say burritos. I've placed them in the pan, and they are now currently frying. And I'm going to show you the results. Peace. This is the finished product. If you can see it. See if the camera focuses. That's the finished product.